Yeah, I'm just going to test my camera on the moon here, see what the zoom does. And there we have it halfway. Pick a point. And that's it, full zoom. Not bad. That's my little dog barking below me. Well, that's full zoom. Pretty clear enough, but not close enough. For a camera that's costing £500, you would imagine it being closer. 201 times zoom. Excuse me. And there you go. And along the other side, we've just had sunset going down. Obviously over them houses where you can see the chemins being going on. North East England, UK.